are on the top of this building, on the terrace, and you have no fear. And you're walking on the ledge, and you have no fear. Not good. Not all fears, certain fears. Fear is good. Fear is always good. We got to have fears. Our survival is dependent on fear. Are you getting me? And we are animals.
I think all emotions are good, provided you know how to use it.
Simply, all emotions are good. Fear is one of the most motivating factors. We need to have it. You go to work because you have fear. Every day, because अभी मैं घर में नहीं जाएगा, भी बच्चा क्या खाएगा, मैं क्या खाएगा. Some amount of anxiety and fear that makes you go every day for last 20 years. And for next 10 years you are going to do that. Fear is good. What makes one a good coordinator? And think of what you want to achieve rather than what you want to give up. What is it? Rana. If fear was not there, how would you become?
How do you remove?
Don't remove. जब ये balance होता है ना, if there's too much of weight over here, but you want this side of the balance to go down, you may not have to remove. Add more over here. Just got to change your funda. Yeah. So what is it that you would achieve if your fears were not there?
Become much more productive in all my activities.
Yeah. So you want to be productive.
In whatever activity
So you want to be effective and you want to be productive, right?
whatever activity
Yeah.
magic like.
Yeah. Magic?
What of magic? What
Magic. Okay, you want to bring people together. Okay, I got that. Okay. Great. So what you're going to do is, when I tell you, you will stand up, okay? And when I ask you to close your eyes, and then you will imagine a circle in front of you. That's your circle. Okay? You got to stand at a distance where you can take one step ahead. So let not anyone stand very close to you. We have a lot of space. Okay? So we'll take only one step instead of 2-3 steps. And see a circle as big as you want, that's not a problem. Okay? But where you fit it. And then you got to give it a color. A very vibrant color. And then I'll ask you to add the kind of resources that you wish to have. Like you want to have confidence, you want to have happiness, you want to be whatever. Are you getting me? You want to be a good teacher, you want to be productive, you want to be adventurous. Just keep adding. And if you want to add more resources, you can add. With adventurous, you want to add confidence. Add it. Maybe a different colored thing. You can see some rays coming in and let it vibrate more and more. Let it get magnified. Is that clear? I'll give you time. Okay? And let it magnify, let it magnify, let it magnify. Are you getting me? You can feel those resources actually vibrating in there. And then when I say 1, 2 and 3, what you're going to do is just step in. Right? And just feel those resources coming up and filling up your body. And then you might do a gesture if you wish to. Remember, a gesture locks it in. That's why I said not just thinking, action. Because it has to be not only in the mind, it has to be physical. Remember it's like ask a lady who's been cutting a wife or a person who's been cooking. You might read 1,000 recipe books, but just preparing it once, it's a different story. Are you getting me? So same way. So you got to do one action and let this let it be locked in. And then when I say again release, then you just step back and relax. And then again, let it magnify, let it grow, let it grow, you can add more resources if you want. You want to add patience, you want to add compassion, you want to add joy. Add it. And then again, step into it and experience it. You'll just do it 3 times. Okay? This is something that you can do every day in the morning before getting up. But just imagine, you start your day with all the resources with you. Like, you got all the weapons with you. Or you got all the emotions right in place. How would that be for you? And step out of your house. And just be aware of the thoughts that change, the feelings that are changing. Okay? Then you can add over here once you're done 3 times. then you can create the kind of future you wish to create. Like you want to be a good teacher, then see yourself being there as a good teacher. Or you want to be a public speaker, see yourself to